Welcome to Water Resource. This video is about navigating Water Resource, how to get to the various divisions of Water Resource. It has about 30,000 entities between cities and counties, but I think we've made it pretty simple. This video is designed to help you to get to where you need to go quickly. As we've talked in other videos, most of the time people are landing on Water Resource from a social network link that took them deeper into the site, maybe down to a city that would talk about maybe the city's billing rates in comparison to other city billing rates, or maybe they landed on a link about toilet use in their city and it would use their city's water billing rates. But sometimes you may just end up coming right here, what you're looking at right here, which is the home page. And I want to talk about how to get in and out of those different divisions. If you first come here and you've never been here before, you'll see this begin box. And when you click that, you'll see a hint at this bar that pops up here. It's just to try and tell you that behind this magnifying glass, there is this navigation bar, which will help you to get deeper into the site on those pages that I just mentioned. I'll come back and talk about this and how that works, but first let's look at the GUI interface right here on this map. If you click on, say, something like California, and then maybe you come down to San Diego County, and you'll see these pins that drop. There are the cities that are dropping. We've talked about this in other videos, and you can see here the breadcrumb menu up here is all blue. USA, California, San Diego County. Excuse me. And then if you click on, say, Oceanside, you'll get a sub-menu that helps you to go to the right spot, whether you're looking for personal water expense, rate comparison, water leakage, plumbers, gardeners. As an example, if you go to this water expense and you click on, say, something like showers, you'll load up a page for, in this case, the city of Oceanside, talking about showers, or you could talk about toilets. And these are pretty nice forms that'll help you to get some great information. Now you can see here that the navigation has changed. Still it's a California, still it's San Diego County, and it's Oceanside, but the colors are brown now because you're not on the map anymore. You're actually in the back end looking at real data and information. And that's how we distinguish between whether or not you're on a county page talking about county rates, city rates on that county page, or whether you're in San Diego County on the map. If you come back up here to the home page again, you can get to those pages much quicker without having to go through all the navigation. Let's just say in the city of Warwick, I've been using them as an example. There's Warwick, Rhode Island, and if you click the map, or the magnifying glass, you can click on, say, the cost of water use, or any one of these others, and this will get you right back to where you were before in the city of Oceanside. But now you're in Rhode Island, Kent County, in the city of Warwick, and now you're looking at information for that city, using that city's rates. But you got here just on one click. And you don't have to actually be all the way at the front page to use this nav bar. It's here wherever you are. Okay, so that should help. I wanted to also point out, yes, like let's use as another example here. You can just enter in a zip code. You don't even have to spell the city name and the state. And same thing, but this time let's go to the compare water rates. And the reason why I wanted to use this version is because when you're trying to compare water rates, you're not really going to go all the way down to the city. You're actually going to come to the county page because you're comparing other cities within the county in which your city is. As an example, you're looking at Warwick City, and here's the billing, a line item billing charges that the city of Warwick uses. And there's other videos that talk about how this total and how the comparison and all that. And I'll leave that discussion for the other video. This is just about navigation. If you close that out, you see that here we are. We are on the Kent County page. You can see the county page up here, Rhode Island, Kent County. And these are all the cities within Kent County, Rhode Island. And you can go to the various different entities here. You can even find plumbers here in this particular case in the city of Warwick. And the reason why we do this is because plumbers many times are servicing the city of Warwick as well as Greene and East Greenwich and a few others. So it's best to come to the county page, look at the various cities, look for gardeners or plumbers or in this case billing rates, and you can compare them. And in the same way, you could go to the state page, because the state page will show county rates. Remember, in previous discussions, many cities will pass their water billing responsibilities off to the county in which they reside. They don't bill their own citizens. They have the county bill them. So sometimes you may wonder, how does my county compare with the other counties in my state? In this case, you may live, as an example, in Warwick, but you know that Kent is your actual county, and you may wonder, how does Kent County compare to the other counties within Rhode Island and how they're billing? So there's other videos about how to read these other sites, or these other pages, toilet pages, faucet pages, water leak pages, slab leaks, water billing. We'll leave those videos to discuss that. This was just about how to be able to navigate in and out of Water Resource. And by the way, if you put in, like say a zip code 02886, I believe, for Warwick, again, to keep things simple, and you don't choose a destination of where you want to go, you just put in the city, then the site doesn't know exactly where you want to go. So what it will do is it will auto-navigate to that point where we showed you in the very beginning, where you get to the submenus, and from there you can decide where you want to go. Do you want to go into any one of these different categories? So that's how the site works. We hope that it works for you, and we hope that it works for your business to be able to promote your business on Water Resource. And there's information about how all that works down here. Work with us, promote with us. Take a look at those if you would, please. Thank you so much. Thank you for visiting Water Resource.